The other day, we had a chance to sit down with Matt Mindock, who's a computer science teacher out in Indiana, and he had some very insightful things to talk about, specifically around the curriculum that we at Cleverlike have built and how it's helping his students in the other classes that are in his school. But don't take it from me, let's actually hear it from him. So these are little skills that actually transfer again to something like CAD if you're working on a movie or video game, as it were, as well. The engine is not just specifically for video games. Like that's one of the big important pieces.
We have a couple of my kids who are also in our engineering program, and heard from the engineering teacher that, man, they can already manipulate and move around and interact inside of Fusion, I believe is what he uses.
Fusion's fun, yeah.
So much quicker and better than the other students. And I'm like, it's because they're spending time already interacting in that three-dimensional space using UE and UEFN.
Now, this is just a small part of the interview. The entire thing actually gives some really good insight as to what's going on inside of the classrooms where teachers are using UE and UEFN to prepare students for their college careers and even beyond that. So if you want to check out the entire thing, check out the link down in the bottom of the description. And we'll also leave some links down there for the curriculum that we've been building that you can get into your classrooms to help out your students.